Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So just giving you a peek of my indoor garden. You got the parsley, you have the rainbow chard, you have some kale, and of course lettuce. I have been using these items in my recipes, and so it saves me so much from going to the supermarket purchasing these. You know the prices, kale and uh Swiss chard, which is rainbow chard. Listen, it gets so pricey, but growing it at home is such a blessing. Budget saving, friendly. Okay, so yes, I have fell in love with gardening, and I'm just excited. I'm excited about the whole ordeal. Okay. And look at these green peppers. They are, well, these are purple peppers. They're coming along nicely. They are not ready yet, but I can't wait to try them. So stay tuned. Using my indoor gardening, my veggies from my indoor gardening. I hope you are enjoying all of the recipes videos, and there is more coming. All right, so I hope you have a blessed day. Happy Black History Month to everyone. Okay, it's Black History every single day. So enjoy life, stay blessed, as I always say, and peace out until the next time. Later. Oh, and if you're not tuned in to my gardening channel, please check it out. JCZ Crafting Vlogs and more. Okay, that's where I share all of the wonderful tips and tricks to this gardening that you can use. All right, peace out. Later.